Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we want to discuss about our ISAS about protection of operating system. First, we want to introduce ourselves.
My name is Ryan Rafli, and I'm going to explain protection of OS. Protection refers to a mechanism which control the access of programs, process, or users to the resource defined by a computer system. We can take protection as a helper to multi-programming operation system so that many users might safely share a common logical namespace such a directory or file.
Next is Windows 10 protection. With Windows 10, Microsoft introduced Windows as a service. It's a new way of building, deploying, and servicing Windows, and new features are built continuously with each update. Windows 10 has more layers of protection that help Microsoft Digital to better protect user and company data and to detect risky behavior and sophisticated attacks. With each release of Windows 10, we have built upon existing security by adding new security features. Windows 10 was designed to be the most secure Windows yet. By addressing threats in engineering, improved security is one of the biggest benefits of adopting Windows 10. Here are some of the ways that Windows 10 is helping us better protect data and some of the new tools that we have to help us quickly detect and respond to the threat.
So next one will be the feature of protection in OS, more specifically Windows 10 OS. So there are in total 8 features. The first one is Home, second one is Virus and Threat Protection, Account Protection, Firewall and Network Protection, App and Browser Control, Device Security, Device Performance and Health, and then Family Options. So let me explain all of this in one. Let me explain all of this. First one is Home. Home is basically a shortcut for all 7 features. And since Home counts as a feature, that means there is 8 in total. Now, in Home there are 7 features. The first one is Virus and Threat Protection. Virus and Threat Protection is basically meant that it's a feature to scan every single file or folder or even data in your device. It will scan any kind of malicious data in there and give it a report to you, and you shall decide whether or not you shall delete this app or do something with it. Next is Account Protection. Account protection means it will give you a account for you so that other people will not be able to tinker with your features and stuff. Next one is Firewall and Network Protection. Firewall and network protection is basically preventing any kind of malicious information from your local network. For example, if you're going on to a coffee shop and you use that Wi-Fi over there, you will not know whether or not there's a malicious data somewhere around there. That's why you open up firewall and prevent those malicious data to get inside your device. Next part is app and browser control. That is basically internet security. For example, if you're trying to open an app or a website or even downloading something, that app and browser control will be the one who will secure and scan every single downloads and everything, just in case there's a malicious data or something that can ruin your device. Now the key feature to distinguish between firewall and network protection with app and browser control is to remember that firewalls in network connection, protection, that is for a local internet. For example, you're trying to connect to the internet. That's the one. App and browser control, that is when you are opening a browser and check whether or not there is a I mean, you're basically trying to open your browser and surf the internet. Next is device security. It's basically looking up your physical device thingy. For example, you want to check your core intel, you want to check your RAM and everything. That is the place that is the place where you can check to see if there are any damage scores. Next is device performance and health. It is basically a summary of report of your device. It will occasionally give you security and health reports on your device. It will also help monitor your security and on health in your device. And then finally there is family options. Basically it will manage your children's digital life. So basically you will not get your so I mean basically you will monitor your child's life uh, on digital life basically. So like you want to know what your children is doing in while using your device or laptop, computer, whatever. When they're typing in, when they're going in and out, you can actually look at what they're doing and what they've done. And that is pretty much it. Next one will be back to you, Rayhan.
Conclusion. Windows Security is an antivirus protection program that's included with Windows 10. Microsoft Security is free and doesn't require any additional installation. It's also routinely updated. Our suggestion is to make the interface more user-friendly. To just run a scan, you need to do at least 7 or 8 clicks compared to other antivirus that will require only up to 3 clicks to run a scan.
Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope you all can enjoy for our ISAS. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.